Today I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican fajita seasoning. This is so easy. You don't need to buy that packet. You can do it yourself. So this spice blend is absolutely fantastic when you're making chicken fajitas or even tacos. And it's so easy, it's ridiculous. So here we've got some paprika and we're just going to go in with a teaspoon of that. We've got some ground coriander, teaspoon. It's all in equal parts. And then we've got some ground cumin, teaspoon. Going with some pepper, a really good pinch of salt. And this is optional. If you like it spicy, this is cayenne pepper and it is really hot. A little bit goes a long way, so I just like to use a little pinch. Get a tiny drizzle of oil and about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of tomato puree. Now we give this a mix. So what you do is typically fry your onions and the meat that you choose. And then once it's near enough cooked, you would add this paste. Once you've got this paste working with your onions and your meat, you would add some water and it will turn into a lovely little sauce. And so that is our Mexican fajita seasoning. If you don't have any tomato puree, you can always use a little bit of tomato ketchup. So we will have that tonight and we'll add that into our chicken and onions. And we'll also make our flatbread recipe. And if you want to check that out, I'll put the link in the description.